Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect oxygen tubing. First, identify the correct connectors for your specific tubing, as there are many types. Ensure both ends of the tubing are clean and dry before attempting to connect them. Gently but firmly push one end of the tubing into the connector until it feels secure. Repeat this process for the other end, making sure there is a snug fit to prevent any leaks. When you need to extend your oxygen tubing, a swivel connector is highly recommended. These connectors allow the tubing to rotate freely, helping to prevent kinks and tangles. Simply connect one end of your existing tubing to one side of the swivel connector, and then attach the extension tubing to the other side. Always ensure each connection is secure and airtight to maintain proper oxygen flow. To ensure uninterrupted oxygen delivery, it is crucial to prevent kinks and leaks in your tubing. Always route your tubing carefully to avoid sharp bends or being pinched under furniture. Regularly inspect the entire length of your tubing for any signs of damage, such as cracks, holes, or discoloration. If you notice any wear or damage, replace the tubing immediately to maintain effective oxygen therapy. If you experience low oxygen flow, start by checking all your tubing connections for a secure fit. Listen carefully for any hissing sounds, which can indicate a leak at a connection point or a small hole in the tubing. Also, visually inspect the entire length of the tubing to ensure it is not kinked, twisted, or pinched under furniture, as these can restrict oxygen flow. If issues persist, consult your healthcare provider.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.